If you've ever opened a photo and noticed that the dark areas look too heavy, too muddy, or you're losing detail in the shadows, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to balance dark shadows using the Levels tool in Pixlr step by step, so you can bring back hidden detail while still keeping your image looking natural and clean. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy pixel editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr E in your browser and load the photo you want to edit. You can drag and drop the image into Pixlr or use the Open Image option to bring it into your workspace. Once your photo is loaded, take a moment to look at the shadows. You'll usually notice the darkest parts are holding back important details like texture in clothing, hair, buildings, or background objects. That's exactly what we're going to fix. Next, go up to the top menu bar and click Adjustment, then select Levels. This opens the Levels panel, which gives you more control over the tonal range of your image. Levels is one of the best tools for correcting shadow balance because it lets you target the dark, mid-tone, and highlight areas separately instead of applying a blanket brightness change to the whole photo. Now look at the histogram and the sliders underneath it. You'll see a black slider on the left, a gray slider in the center, and a white slider on the right. The center gray slider is the gamma control, and this is the one you'll use first to lift the shadows. Drag the gray slider slightly to the left. As you move it left, the midtones get brighter, and hidden detail in the darker areas starts to appear. The key here is to move it slowly. You do not want to overdo it because pushing it too far can make the image look flat, washed out, or unnatural. Make small adjustments and watch the preview carefully. If the shadow detail starts to come back while the image still looks realistic, you're on the right track. After that, fix the black point. This is the part that keeps your image from losing contrast. Drag the left black slider slightly to the right until it reaches the edge of the histogram data. What this does is set a cleaner shadow floor so the image still has depth and definition instead of looking faded. Again, small movements matter here. If you push the black slider too far to the right, you can crush the shadows and lose detail all over again. The goal is to trim the darkest empty areas while protecting the real detail in your image. As you adjust both sliders, keep checking the overall balance. You want the shadows to be brighter and more usable, but you still want the photo to feel rich and dimensional. This is especially useful for portraits, product shots, low light photos, and any image where the dark areas need just a little rescue. Once you're happy with the result, click Apply to save the changes to your layer. That locks in the levels adjustment and updates your image with the improved shadow balance. From there, you can continue editing, export the file, or make additional color corrections if needed. And that's it. You've just balanced dark shadows in Pixlr using the Levels tool. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in the quality of your photo. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials, quick editing tips, and beginner-friendly photo editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.